I practiced this morning too so that I wouldn't make any mistakes. And sure enough, I stupid volume thing turned off on me when I was adding the pictures on there. Darn it. Okay, I'm going to quickly go back. First of all, Tony, congratulations. You were the winner for last week. And the measurements are here. So at least the measurements are typed out. Okay. There we go. And we're back here. I apologize, you guys. Okay. That's all I can do is say I'm sorry. And I'm so afraid I'm going to lose all of you as my viewers, and I'm going to, you're going to stop watching me because I keep messing that up. I believe that was the final draw with this software, though. I'm going to have to go back to my old software. Even though it's a lot more expensive, I am really tired of my volume, my microphone going off. So, okay. Friday, Funfold Friday, I will have new software that will not turn, the volume won't turn off. All right, here we go. So back to our card challenge. So we have our color challenge. Um, review that again since my volume was off. We have Soft Succulent, Highland Heather, and So Saffron. Those are my colors I'm using. All right, and I'm coloring my Daffodil Daydream. I'm using Daffodil Daydream for my stamp set. And real quick, when I color, I just take my light color first and just go in and fill everything in with the light color. Now, what I was saying before I realized the volume was not on was I have a paper share going on right now. The paper share, a lot of you have already signed up for it, and I'm excited to be able to do this service for you. It's basically what I do is I will order all the designer paper, as much as I need for as many people as sign up. So for instance, let's say 8 people sign up and you all order the half pack paper share. I will order 4 of each pack and cut them in half and send each of you a half of each of the packs. That's all there is to it. Now, a half a pack. A half a pack is a 12 by 12 pack cut in half. So it would be 6 by 12. Okay, so you will get, and you may even still have the cellophane on it. Sometimes the place I take to have my paper cut takes the cellophane off, but either way, you will get 6 by 12 half packs. Now, if you order the quarter pack, which I offer, the half gets cut in half. So you would get 6 by 6, 1/4 of the pack. You would get one corner of it. Okay, pretty simple there. And it's all the designer series packs except the color families. I don't do the color families. I just do the designer paper that go, you know, I don't know how to describe that. If you have a catalog, you can see all of the paper packs there. But anyways, the 12 by 12 paper packs. There are actually 2 of them in there that are 6 by 6, the teacup and I can't remember the other one. Those packs, I'll have to count out the sheets and give you half the number of sheets and quarter number of the sheets. But anyways, so there, I've done my leaves. Let me pull that up so you all can see that. There we go. And all I've done is I took the light and then I took the dark, and the dark is wherever like a shadow would be. And now I'm going to go back with my light and I'm going to blend where the 2 colors meet. Okay. And that's all I do for doing shadowing. Okay, now for my daffodils, I do the exact same thing. I just come in here with the light. Okay, and I'm not super careful. I'm careful enough, but you know, some people like to be real particular with their coloring. I'm not. I don't mind if it's a little messy. It kind of gives it a more handmade look, in my opinion. When sometimes I get out of the lines, sometimes I don't fill in the whole area. And that's okay. Now I'm just coming in here, and wherever I think there would be a shadow, I throw in some of the dark color. Okay. There we go. And then last but not least, I come back with the light and I blend everything. Okay. I'm going to kind of do a circular motion. This is why I love blends. Blends are alcohol markers, and alcohol works a little different than water does. Okay, water-based markers, the colors layer. Alcohols blend. I don't know why. I'm sure it all has to do with science, but anyways, there are our daffodils for our Mother's Day card. So one more time, let me review what I've done. I have a card base, 8.5 by 5.5 folded in half. Then I have my first layer, and that is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. Then I have a 3 by 4 kind of tilted, and then this one is 3 by 4, and I'm going to tilt it back the other way so that the purple, the Highland heather, peeks out from behind it. Okay, put that ink away. Oops, where did my tape go? There it is. Okay, now that I have that on there, we just need a little bit more. We need a sentiment. All right, so let's get, here's a little scrap piece. And the sentiment, the reason I pulled Daffodil Daydreams is because of this Happy Mother's Day, and I am making this for my mother-in-law. So I'm just putting that right there. Then I have the Stitch So Sweetly dies. Anytime you can get a die set that's got a bunch of label dies, it is a great investment. You can never go wrong having a whole bunch of label dies in your stash. So I have that. I think that's a really pretty label, very elegant. And just tape that on there. Let me throw this through the die cut machine. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, so now I have this piece, not pretty, but it kind of gets lost if you just put it down there. So we need it to have something to pop it up. We have some Highland heather ribbon here. Whenever you're doing a color challenge, pull all of the different items that you own in those colors and then see what you can make with it. That's the fun of creating. So I picked these 3 colors, and then just like that, I found the ribbon that had the color. I found the bling that has the color right here. Even though that's fresh freesia, it still goes with this Highland heather beautifully. All right, and now where did my sentiment go? Here it is. Now, I could just put that flat. However, nope, not me. I need more bling. I need more stuff. All right, so I took the punch. We've got this sprig punch here. I love sprigs. Sprigs just add dimension and depth. So we're just going to put some adhesive on the back there and then put these sprigs down like that. Voila. That was pretty easy. Got to have some dimension. There we go. Whoops, stuck to my fingernail. All right. And now what I want the word mother, Happy Mother's Day, to be parallel with the top and the bottom of the card. And that is really difficult when you've got all these different lines going different directions. Your eye really wants to play tricks with you. So I'm keeping my eye on the top and the bottom, but I also have this on grid paper. That helps a lot too. And now my eyes are looking at everything at once. Okay, and that looks good right there. There we go. Happy Mother's Day. Didn't that turn out beautiful? I cannot wait to see what all of you create. Don't forget to enter the challenge. You need to go to my Facebook page. If you're watching this on YouTube, you have to go to the Facebook page, Creating with Kristina, and there is a post that says card challenge and all of the pictures of everybody's entries. You just open a comment and put your picture of your card in there, and that's all you have to do to enter. Okay, cannot wait to see what you create. I will see you back here Friday for Fun Fold Friday and new software that no longer cuts off my volume. Okay. Bye you guys.